photography.
Okay, hello mother dear! So for today's video ay isa ito sa importante or pinakamahalagang vlog na ipopost ko kasi today is the coronation night. Ayan, mamaya nagaganapin ang coronation night na sa stage na pinag-uusapan natin or isa sa mga plano natin. So tutuparin na natin yung isa doon mother dear, and mamaya-maya lang 1 down na tayo sa plans natin. So ayun lang, panoorin mo lang ako. Mwah. Hey mother dear, so today's the day. Sasalang ako ng walang trainer. Sasalang ako na hindi according sa plan natin na kukuha ako ng trainer kasi hindi ko na kaya because of budget kasi wala ko nga. Pero ayun, I'll give my best mother earth. Manood ka, hanapin kita sa crowds.
We have from the College of Business and Accounting.
Delayed Rim Silvia, College of Business and Accountancy.
friends. Inspired by the fish named Pandaka from the alamat of pinakamaliit na isda who symbolizes uniqueness despite taunting and inferiority. She proudly wears it. Though the hardest to find among the many fish in the sea, she may be the smallest, but undoubtedly she's the fairest. Miss CBA, as radiant as she can be. Miss College of Business and Accountancy. Inspired by the beautiful Maria Clara, who is an epitome of virtue and purity, Miss College of Business and Accountancy is standing firm with a touch of delicateness. With her carrying her dreams, this gown is a symbol of the modernized Filipino woman. The beaded crystals grace the fabric, enhancing its texture. As she loves pink, she chooses this color to show femininity. Miss CBA is gracing tonight, proving that a woman's essence is defined by her resilience and intelligence. A legacy that will echo through time.
Of Business and Accountancy. Last year, my mom visited National University and told me that I should walk on this very stage. Tonight, I am achieving those dreams of ours, yet I am alone. She's now resting in heaven, proving that not every one of us has that kind of privilege to enjoy a complete family and enjoy their presence as we continue in our lives. This kind of loss can really make us feel complete and unaware on how to move forward. And so, I stand here tonight, not for myself, but for every youth dreamers who are lost in pain. Having experiencing firsthand, I found it as my responsibility to take a step to free their voice and bring back their hope. Together, let us reignite our spark and turn our scars into something beautiful. Arriba Mendola! Arriba CBA! Last
but not the least, from the College of Engineering.
This award will be awarded by Jeff Mendoza and Jose Odessa.
evening, where is no other than Miss College of Business and
This award is awarded by President Fidel Velasquez and
our Mr. and Miss National University 2025 class in evening wear. Alright, let me just invite our winner for our Mr. Magic Evening Wear to join our Miss so that you guys can take photos. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have already awarded our minors. Once again, let's give it up for our Miss National University candidates in their breathtaking national wear. Once again, let's give it up for our Miss National University candidates in their breathtaking national wear.
Okay lang po yung pasal. Ngayon na lang.
Ano mo?
Miss College of Business and Accountancy. Miss College of Business and Accountancy is standing firm with a special timeless. With her carrying her dreams, this gown is a symbol of the modernized Filipino woman. The beaded crystals grace the fabric, enhancing its texture. As she loves pink, she chooses this color to show femininity. Miss CBA is gracing tonight, proving that a woman's essence is defined by the resilience and intelligence. A legacy that will echo through time.
it's a wrap, Mother Dear. Tapos na natin yung isa nating plan. With God's guidance, diba? 1 down na tayo. And hindi man ganun ka-successful, I still feel like nag-succeed ako in a way na nakaya kong tumayo pa rin kahit ganun yung nafe-fear ko. And ayan, all of that was for you. Love you, Ma.